sad smile. Time to help, I'll stay a while. He carried grass so green and sweet and laid it down near the cow's feet. Moo, said the cow with a happy cheer. The little farmer gave a cheer. Next he saw the goats so white, jumping around in the morning light. He gave them leaves to munch and chew. They wagged their tails and said, "Thank you." The horses neighed and shook their heads. He brought them hay and made their beds. He stroked their manes so soft and fine. Their eyes were gentle, calm, and kind. He skipped to hens with a little tin full of grains to toss right in. They clucked and pecked with joyful sound while he laughed and danced around. On the farm he works with glee, caring for all so joyfully. To the ducks he brought a treat, corn and crumbs for them to eat. They quacked and waddled near the pond. Of their kind friend they grew so fond. The bunnies came so quick and shy. He knelt to feed them grass nearby. They twitched their noses, took a bite, and hopped around with pure delight. He filled the troughs for the big fat pigs, watched them roll and do mighty jigs. He laughed out loud, "You're silly and fun," and wiped his hands beneath the sun. Sheep were grazing far and wide. He whistled loud, they ran to his side. He gave them feed and brushed their wool, fluffy and soft, now clean and cool. He fixed the coop with gentle care, made it comfy, clean and fair. The chicks all chirped a happy song. He knew he truly did belong. On the farm he works with glee, caring for all so joyfully. He poured fresh water in a bin. The thirsty dogs came running in. He hugged them all and threw a ball. They barked with joy and gave their call. He picked some fruit from apple trees and shared with birds upon the breeze. They chirped and sang a lovely tune. He danced around that afternoon. He swept the barn both left and right, made it tidy, warm and bright. The cats all purred and snuggled tight. What a cozy, lovely sight. He painted signs for each small pen, with names for animals, hens to hen. "Now no one's lost," he said with pride. The lambs came bouncing by his side. As sunset dipped the skies in gold, he waved goodbye so brave and bold. "I'll be back," he gave a cheer. Barnyard friends all clapped and cheered. On the farm he works with glee, caring for all so joyfully. I hope you like the video. Subscribe